In today's digital age, Instagram has evolved from a simple photo sharing app to a powerful platform for earning money. This video will explore various strategies to monetize your presence on Instagram effectively. The first step to earning money on Instagram is to build a strong profile. This includes selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise. Whether it's fashion, travel, fitness, or food, your niche will define your audience. Craft a compelling bio that clearly communicates who you are and what value you provide. Use relevant keywords and include a call to action, such as a link to your website or a product. Next, focus on growing your audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. Utilize Instagram stories and reels to showcase your personality and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Collaborate with other influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your followers engaged and attract new ones. Once you have established a solid following, it's time to explore monetization strategies. One of the most popular methods is affiliate marketing. By promoting products and sharing affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Sponsored posts are another lucrative option. Brands are often willing to pay influencers to promote their products. Ensure that any partnerships align with your brand and resonate with your audience for authenticity. Additionally, consider selling your own products or services. Whether it's merchandise, digital products, or online courses, Instagram provides a platform to showcase and sell directly to your audience. Engaging content is crucial for maintaining and growing your audience. Invest time in. You maintain authenticity by partnering with brands that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Additionally, consider creating your own products or services. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or merchandise, having your own offerings allows you to leverage your audience directly and maximize your earnings. To keep your audience engaged, focus on creating high-quality content. Invest time in photography and editing to ensure your posts stand out. Use a consistent aesthetic and color palette to create a cohesive look for your profile. Don't forget to diversify your content. Mix up your posts with tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and user-generated content. This not only keeps your feed fresh, but also encourages interaction from your followers. To optimize your strategy, regularly analyze your performance using Instagram Insights. Pay attention to which posts perform best and what times your audience is most active. This data will help you refine your content strategy and improve engagement. Experiment with different types of content and posting schedules to see what resonates most with your audience. Remember, growth takes time, so be patient and persistent. As you navigate the world of monetization, it's crucial to stay authentic. Your followers trust you, and maintaining that trust is essential for long-term success. Always disclose sponsored content and affiliate links to comply with regulations and maintain transparency. Share your honest opinions and experiences with products. Authenticity not only builds trust, but also fosters a loyal community that will support your endeavors. In conclusion, earning money on Instagram is entirely possible with the right strategies. Build a strong profile, grow your audience, explore monetization methods, create engaging content, analyze your performance, and stay authentic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like.